Hi everyone, this is Prashant Lamba and I'm here to talk about Phonologies SmartM Care, on-demand customer care and workforce management platform. It is a combination of a mobile customer care and self-service applications along with a workforce and workflow management system which can dictate and control the way you operate your contact center. Needless to say, this is a 100% web-based platform. So before we get on into talking about our solution, let me just let's do a quick recap as to why would you want to set up a cloud contact center? Customers, mobile users, they want access to information anytime via any channel that they feel. Customers really don't care about your staffing issues, queues. They just want to call and they want to be available. They want somebody to take the call. So what do you do if you're a small business if you have all these issues? You outsource it. You outsource your CRM, like you're already doing it in case of Zendesk, or you outsource your ACD queues, or you look overseas and you outsource your staffing and the skills that you need. The first up, we have a mobile application that is installed on a mobile customer's handset. Then in the middle of it, we have our cloud-based ACD, CTI, CRM solution from Zendesk, along with our workforce management software. Let's assume you're an existing Zendesk customer. But what we do is we're creating a on Zendesk on which you can contract third-party service providers whom you can outsource your call center operations. At the other end, you have your typical agent dashboards, and these are meant for either your outsourced contact center providers or your own home-based service providers. Let me just move on and quickly tell you what APIs we're using. On the mobile side, we have, of course, Google Maps, which is capture some social media information. In our hosted platform, we have an integration with Asterix. Zendesk is the provider for the CRM. On the agent side, we use WebRTC for transportation of the voice over IP call from your customer. Let's move on to talk a little bit more about how this entire flow works. Typically, you're going to have a mobile customer with an application, and there comes a time or there comes a point where they need some help or they have a query. So on the bottom of your screen, a menu pops up. You click on the Talk to Us button. At this point of time, our application captures all sorts of information about that mobile phone user, so which screen he was on, what is his geolocation, and some social media information. Sends it over to our hosted platform. At this point of time, we have a customer waiting to be called back. So what do we need to do? We need to match the skills, the language of the customer, location, match the time zone, look for from your contracted agencies or from your own workforce pool who is the next best or the most appropriate person and have that person call back your particular customer. I just wanted to add a small note out here. Our Smart MK Manager is a web dashboard that works with Zendesk, and it comes with a mobile application building tool, and we've also built in certain necessary third-party integrations with Zendesk, Facebook. So we just covered when the call is handed over, somebody needs to answer the call. The agent who answers the call will get all sorts of information on his screen from the CRM or the CTI. The customer's social profile and current location on the map shows up on his Zendesk screen. All this facilitates a meaningful interaction. At the end of the call, of course, you conduct a survey, but that's not what we're here to talk about. That was a quick overview of how those different modules of our system interact with each other, and you have customers who could be located in different parts of the world. So that's pretty much about our solution, and we will be happy to answer any questions. You can send me email at prashant@phonologies.com. Thanks for your time and have a good day ahead.